Hi everybody. Well, it's been a couple of days since I did a song for you, so I thought it was about time I got back at it. So here I am. Today I'm going to do a Canadian folk classic for you. This is another one that my high school folk group, the Belvedere, used to do. And I'm doing this by somebody requested this, so I'm fulfilling that request. This is Ian Tyson's wonderful, wonderful song, Four Strong Winds. And one time Sylvia told me a story about around how this was written. She and Ian were living in New York City at the time in the early 60s during the great folk revival that was going on. And it was very rare in those days for folkies to write their own songs. But there was this guy named Bob Dylan hanging around the village, and he was writing songs. And so the rest of them were looking at him and saying, well, if he can do it, so could we. And Ian said that, and he went away and he wrote this song. It's the first song he ever wrote. Four Strong Winds. Here it goes. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I think I'll go out to Alberta. The weather's good there in the fall. I've got some friends that I can go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, there ain't too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Ian Tyson, Four Strong Winds.